scratch. But I can't use move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, repeat 10 times, and of course from that other video, one of those videos, mod. Who the heck uses mod? There's little no mod users. And I was gonna make a sound game, but apparently we're putting that in here. We're putting this in here. And I can't use make a block. So how the heck are we gonna make a game like this? Well, you'll see it later. So first we'll kind of have a, let me just scroll out. You scroll out from the window. It's because it's too big. This window's way too big. So I've seen many people do this challenge. I've seen some people do this challenge before. But basically, we're gonna name this block. No, we're gonna name this blocks. Blocks I can't use. So yes, can't use these blocks. And this is actually practically easy, cause like this. So we're gonna make a new sprite. We're gonna hide this sprite, cause or we're just gonna remove the costume. Delete. Okay. So we're gonna make a sprite and call this sprite. Let's just like make like a sprite where. No, we're just going to search up a sprite. It's fine. So what do I want to use for most of the challenges? We could use Amon. Amon seems like a good one. Just waiting for it to load. Or just stupid costume to load. Well, it's fine. We don't need Amon. Oh, we have Amon there. Here's Amon. So we have Amon. He's right here. It's nice to meet Amon. We're going to be using him. Remember, we can't use these. I might have an coding overload. Let me just check in my... Turn down video setting. Okay. I will turn down this thing right here. Okay. Not like that. Okay, so yes. We have this guy. This guy. What are we gonna code him to do? Should we just make a clicker kind of? But we can't use turn 15 degrees, so... So what are we going to use instead of 15 degrees? Oh, we have point and direction. Pick random 1, 2, 900. Make him do it and wait 1 second. Okay. Good thing we didn't add those. But we gotta make it slower, so pick random to 89. No, like pick 9 to 800. See, what's the biggest number we can do? $177. So let's try 1.7. But we have to make it a little bit slower, so 0.5. It's a little bit too slow. 0.2. Maybe that will work. We want to make it smooth, though. Direction pick random. Wait, which block can I not use? We can't use that one, so that means we can use the other one. So we're fine. There. We got it. We have a clicker. A simple clicker. Now we have to code it so if you click him, it will just click him. And when it's bright clicked, set size to 130. 30. Wait until. No, not wait until. Wait 0.5 seconds. Set size to 100. See if that works. Okay, that works actually good. And we don't want to stupid my variable because we don't use those. Just to check OBS to make sure it's good. And yes, we're doing a challenge without those blocks. Okay, so let's like make it so it makes a variable. Let's call this score. Can we use variables? Yes, we can use variables. Change score by 1. Set score to 0. Okay. I want it to be a little bit smoother though. It's turning 15:1. Yeah, like this. Okay. Now, so now we're gonna code a little script that makes it so we have like kind of like Sprite, like we can buy stuff. And remember, we can't use sounds, but we can use until done. We're gonna use 2x clickers. So we're gonna add then when the sprite clicked, and now forever, we need a forever, and if then, we're gonna add a thing, 2x click, we're gonna add a new score, change, this is gonna be called, coin tick change score. Yes, it's a coin tick change score by coin tick change score. Set score to crap. It was turn 1 degrees and set coin tick score to and set score to 1. Sprite clicked. If equals score equals 50. Score equals 50. And set coin change score to 2. So we got that. Is that cool? This is a cool one. So we're making this, and alright, 48, 49, 50, and done. We're basically done. Now we just gotta make it so, and then a block that makes it so it tells us when, forever block that tells us what the code is. Control, if, then, since, if, touching mouse pointer, then say, wait 1 second, touching mouse pointer and say, cost 50, and that's cool. Alright, now we're gonna share it. Obviously, in the description, I'll put the project, so it's gonna be called Amon Clicker. Share. And there, we finished.